Now, let us proceed by the converse of the hinge theorem, or what we call the SSS inequality theorem. Okay, so converse theorem or the SSS inequality theorem. If two sides, same pa rin anak tayo, if two sides of one triangle are congruent to the two sides of another triangle, but the third side of the first triangle is longer than the third side of the second triangle. Therefore, we can say that the opposite angle of the longer side will be the larger angle. O, sa Tagalog, meron daw tayo anak dalawang triangle. The two sides of the two triangles are congruent. So, ang i-compare natin dito anak, yung third side. Kapag daw yung third side ng unang triangle ay mas mahaba kumpara sa third side ng pangalawang triangle, ibig sabihin, ang katapat ng mahabang side ay malaking angle. Kung maliit yung side, maliit din yung angle. Or kung maikli yung side, maliit din po yung angle. O, let us try an example. Based on the given illustration, identify the two congruent sides. Another hand, based on the markings, what are the two congruent sides? Sevilla, give me one.
Segment CB. Segment F.
Okay, segment CB is congruent to segment FE, or we can say that segment BC is congruent to segment EF, and that is the first congruent side. What is the second congruent side? Retada. Okay, very good. We have segment CA is congruent to segment FD. We have also the second congruent sides. Now, let us compare the third side. So, what is the third side of triangle BAC? Segment AB. And what is the third side of triangle EFD? Okay, DE. What can you say about the measure of segment AB and segment DE? Oh, compare the measure of the third side. Marcelino.
Segment AB is greater than segment D.
Very good. Segment AB is greater than to segment DE. That is the third side. So after getting after comparing the third side, now let us focus on the opposite angle of the third side. What is the opposite angle of segment AB? Angle C. And what is the opposite angle of segment DE? Okay, now, if segment AB is greater than to segment DE, what can you say about the measurement of the opposite angle? Sabilyo.
Angle C is greater than the angle F.
Okay, very good. The measure of angle C is greater than to the measure of angle F. Kasi po, kung ang angle or kung ang segment AB, yung pinakamahaba, ang katapat nun na angle, yung pinakamalaki. Naintindihan? Any question? O, another example. Complete statement using less than, greater than, or equal. We're going to compare the measure of angle A and the measure of angle D. By the way, identify the two congruent sides muna. What are the two congruent sides? Milan, give me one.
Segment CA is congruent to segment EB.
Okay, very good. What is the second congruent side? Atibagos.
Segment AB is congruent to segment D.
Okay, very good. Segment AB is congruent to segment DF. And compare the third side. Ladrera, what can you say about the measurement of the third side? By the way, what is the third side? Segment CB or BC. The measure is what? While the measure of segment FE is? Just compare. Very good. Segment CB is greater than to segment EF. Now, if segment EB is greater than to segment EF, compare the opposite angle of the given side. Prado? Very good. Angle A is greater than to angle D. So, any question? Last one. Compare the measure of angle A and F and the measure of angle R and F. Just compare using the greater than, less than, or equal. So, how to compare? You're going to compare first the side, the third side. Okay. So, the given sides, we have segment AL. The measure is 4. And the measure of segment RL is 7. Now, segment AL, what is the opposite angle of that? Angle N or angle ANN. And what is the opposite of segment RL? Angle Okay. Oh, just compare. Oh, Espinosa. Very good. Angle A and L is less than to angle R and L. Anak, mas malaki to. Kasi mas mahaba yung 7 compare sa 4. Meaning, mas malaki si R and L compare kay A and L. So, any question? Do you understand? Okay.